Welcome to our comprehensive guide on hydrogen water. For those who are new to this term, hydrogen water is simply water, with extra hydrogen molecules added to it. This unique component enhances the physiological benefits of regular water, aiding in better hydration, potential antioxidant benefits, and improved athletic performance. As we dive deeper, we will further elaborate on the nature of hydrogen water and how its basic properties differ from regular water. Hydrogen water serves many benefits to your well-being. Regular consumption contributes to overall hydration, helps in fighting oxidation in the body, and boosts athletic performance. Studies reveal it may even help lower inflammation and mitigate certain side effects linked to radiation treatment in cancer patients. As we further explore these benefits, you'll gain a clearer understanding of the impact hydrogen water can have on your health. Making hydrogen water at home is a cost-effective and simple process. With the right tools and steps, you can create your own hydrogen-enriched drink. Starting with clean, filtered water is key. By using a home hydrogen water generator, you can easily infuse hydrogen into your water. Remember, safety is paramount. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when using such devices. Let's walk through this DIY process together. The market for hydrogen water products is diverse, offering various tools for producing hydrogen water, from simple, ready-to-drink bottles to high-tech home hydrogen water generators. While choosing, focus on factors like safety standards, hydrogen concentration, ease of usage, and budget. Always prefer products from reliable sources that promise high-quality, safe output. Let's now delve into these options and see how to choose the right hydrogen water product for your needs. Even with numerous benefits, it's essential to note potential side effects of hydrogen water, primarily due to overconsumption. These include metabolic complications. Always adhere to recommended quantities and intake approach. With any health product, inappropriate use can lead to unintended consequences. Being aware of these potential issues ensures you use hydrogen water safely and effectively. In our subsequent discussions, we'll guide you through the necessary precautions while using hydrogen water.